Welcome back on this Wednesday morning as this storm system is moving out of the Great Lakes, but the impacts continue at least for the first half of the day, with that snow still blowing across the region and the strong winds ongoing this morning. As far as roads, a moderate to high risk for some very hazardous travel conditions out there. Slippery roads, some snow drifts, visibilities could be poor at times. If not, we could have near whiteout conditions from the blowing snow and the strong winds as well. Gusts will be ranging around 35 to 45 miles per hour still throughout the course of the morning hours. Update to pass along to you: Iron Mountain as well as Forest Park are on a 2-hour delay, and Sale is closed. If you're curious about any more of those closures, you can check that out on uppermichigansource.com on our website. Here's that system that's moving through the region this morning. It's exiting out of the Great Lakes up into Ontario. That main swath of snow across the central and the east end, and the high pressure west of us will allow the snow on the west end to continue to taper off. In the meantime, winter weather advisory still in effect. The ones on the west end expire at 7 a.m. Marquette County expires at 1 o'clock. And the eastern counties expire tomorrow morning. Here's that satellite radar loop imagery, that main swath tracking through the central and the eastern counties. That snow still pushing on through with more moderate intensities generally in the central and eastern areas of the UP. So you'll notice a big drop off in intensities and snow if you're in western Marquette County as compared to eastern Marquette County. Intensities a little bit more moderate to heavy along M28, along US 41 down into M94 near portions of Chatham Rock River, north of Limestone and through Munising. You can see a lot of roads look like this morning, the intersection of Imperial Heights Road and Barriga County, or like this over downtown Marquette where it's snowy. That wind is blowing our sky camera overlooking downtown Marquette. Aside from the near whiteout conditions we could have, that wind also poses a problem. We could have more power outages, some downed tree limbs and branches, and then lakeshore flooding is also an issue we're facing today with this system. Lakeshore flood advisories in effect for all of these green highlighted counties until 4 o'clock this afternoon. We continue with that wind out of the northwest, gusts of 35 to 45 for the morning into the afternoon, and then weakening as we head into the evening hours. Here's your hour by hour with that big swath of snow pushing across the eastern counties throughout this morning. This is 10:30 in the morning. By that point in time, we start to see lake effect snow develop in the wake of that swath along our northwest wind belts, and it continues in those areas this afternoon and evening. We'll still have some spotty snow showers tomorrow morning. As far as additional snow, it's right around 1 to 3 inches of snow across the west and the north central. Isolated amounts higher than 3 inches in the higher elevations of western Marquette County, and then around 3 to 6 inches in the east, with a localized bands exceeding maybe 7 inches of snow by tomorrow morning across the far east end of the UP. That cold air and that wind will make it feel colder, with wind chill readings ranging in the single numbers below 0 to single numbers throughout the course of the day, while our high temperatures will be in the teens today, lower to mid-teens inland with mid to upper teens along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. This is all short-lived. We're back to 20s tomorrow afternoon, back to 40s by Friday. Friday looks gorgeous with sunny skies, 50s for portions of this weekend, and another system brings in some rain and mix next Monday.